Hi, and welcome back to CFISD 360, the show where we give you the best news and sports stories and show you a 360 view of the district. I'm Marshall Coleman from BHS Productions at Bridgeland High School, and today we're at the site of CFISD's new two-story elementary school. Elementary 57 is located in the Parkland village of Bridgeland and will open in August 2022. Hispanic Heritage Month celebrates Hispanic cultures and contributions throughout our country and CFISD community. The CFISD Mariachi band helps share a piece of this Hispanic culture.
So Mariachi benefits students by preserving the Mariachi culture in the school system, which Cypress-Fairbanks is very fortunate to be providing for our students. Our students are learning what it takes to play in this type of setting, and it's just a wonderful experience that they're having.
Manufacturing Day was held Friday, October 1st, and industrial students from across CFISD had the opportunity to attend presentations from Daikin to learn more about the industry.
Events like this, where it allows the students to see what is happening on the inside, I think is of a great benefit to them.
During the month of October, we recognize some of the greatest leaders in CFISD, our principals. A few students share what their principals mean to them.
What I love about Dr. Henry is that I feel like you get the vibe that she really cares about the school and the people in it.
Mr. Kinniger is so good and so welcoming, and we're so lucky to have him here at Cywoods.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD Sports.
Thanks, Marshall. I'm Mackenzie Hansen from Mustang Media at the Cy Ranch homecoming game, taking a little bit of time out of my day job to show you our student section vibes. A trailblazer in CFISD, Cy-Fair volleyball coach Donna Bonatti recently hit a huge milestone, her 800th victory.
I've been so blessed to work with incredible people. I have great kids, great parents. My kids work hard, and I've just been so fortunate and blessed here at Cy-Fair.
Congratulations, Coach Bonatti. What an amazing accomplishment. All 12 CFISD swim teams came together to make history happen. CFISD now holds a Guinness World Record for the most amount of people on one relay.
This is a super awesome opportunity for all of us to come together, showcase what a wonderful aquatics program we have.
I feel great about it. Well, I thought about it, I said I'm going to be the last one.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. Thanks for joining us as we show how CFISD is bringing out the best.